Anyway, so my name is Clydine Balke. I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and that just means that I love sharing my experience with these oils to hopefully help other people. If you are watching on the replay, please let me know how you love to use peppermint. And if you are watching on the live, let me know where you're coming from. You'll see a red live button up here. And let me know how you use peppermint or what your favorite oil is if you don't use peppermint. Today, I want to talk about the October specials, and I want to share my screen with you. So let me find it first. Hold it right there. Hold on. I'm going to grab this. This one right here. Yes, that's the one I want to share. Let me find it real quick just so you can have it in front of you and it's easier to see. All right, so here we are. I want to share this with you because this month when you enroll, if you have been wanting to get started, and please, hello Barbara, my two sisters are watching me. Lucky you. So if you please share this with any groups or on your pages that you might want to show people who are interested in using oils and learning more about oils. I love to get on here and just share my experience with you. I want to tell you all about this month's special for you today. If you get your own account and this month, it's an amazing deal. And as you know, most companies come up with a starter kit that saves you a lot of money. And we have several starter kits that I will be happy to talk to you about if you're interested. There we go. All right, so I could have that conversation with you another time. I want to share with you what you get free in addition to the freebies that you get, the free oils. Usually most of the starter kits you get between 2 and 4 free oils, and they include your account, your free account with the doTERRA. So so that gives you 1 year of wholesale prices, which is a $25 discount on all the prices. And who wants to pay retail when you can pay wholesale, right? All right, so with this 200 PV enrollment, you will get a free, now these two, the first two are members of our children's line, a free 10 milliliter Calmer roller, restful blend. This blend, and I love these roller bottles. These are so beautiful. Okay, we get a tamer roller, you get a calmer roller, you get peppermint, and then digestin soft shells. So I'm going to come out of this so you can really see these close up. You get the calmer roller, the restful blend, and it really does help. It calms you. It helps calm those feelings of anxiousness. So what's in this is lavender, cananga, Buddha wood, Roman chamomile, and then fractionated coconut oil. And it comes in this really nice, I got it upside down, really nice 10 ml heavy duty with a stainless steel roller ball on it. It's really very nice. So you can use it as adults, but they're also, the reason that these are also diluted more for kids, and kids can just have these around and they can, excuse me, they can learn that when they're feeling those feelings, they can use these. All right, so our next one, the next free one is our tamer. This is also the children's line, a tamer roller bottle. This is the digestive blend for children. Oh, it smells really good. It's got spearmint in it. Hello, everyone. Let me know where you're coming from and let me know how you use peppermint. I'd love to know how you use peppermint. Um, this digestive blend, Tamer, is one of the free oils you get with a 200 PV account this month. So it has spearmint, it has Japanese peppermint, it has ginger. I love ginger for settling restless tummies, black pepper, and parsley. And it has fractionated coconut oil to help dilute it and help it absorb better into your skin. And so the oils don't evaporate as much, as quickly. So our third one is a 15 ml bottle of peppermint. This is your third free oil this month with a 200 PV. Now peppermint is great to, oh, it smells so good. It's great to put in water. You could put it in water. You know what one of my favorite things to do with peppermint? I'd love to hear how you guys use peppermint. Lydia says peppermint for a headache. Yes, I've heard of people taking peppermint like this, put your thumb in it and just tip it like that and put it on the roof of your mouth and hold for like 15 seconds. Another thing they use with that is to help for head tension and for frankincense along with peppermint. That's a great way to use it to calm head tension and that kind of thing. And so peppermint, okay, one of my favorite ways to use peppermint is in chocolate brownies. So if you want to do kind of semi-homemade, make semi-homemade stuff, and you don't want to really go from scratch, you take a chocolate brownie mix, and I wouldn't put more than 2 drops because this stuff is really strong. These oils are concentrated. They're very strong. They're very potent. So you put a couple of drops in your brownie mix and then you bake it and you have peppermint brownies, chocolate peppermint brownies. It's really, really good. I've had it before. I've done it before. I've had it at other people's houses. Really yummy way to use it. But peppermint has a lot of other good qualities too. All right, and so we will, let me look at this real quick. Let me get this book. Peppermint. I'm going to find peppermint right here, and I'm going to read about it. Read to you about it. Here's peppermint right here. In my book. In my book. In my book. All right. Peppermint. I will tell you a little bit about what peppermint can be used for. It is one of doTERRA's best sellers. Peppermint oil has a wide range of benefits, from soothing the occasional upset stomach to freshening breath to promote clear breathing. Peppermint essential oil is always useful to have on hand. The main benefits are invigorating and enlivening the senses. It wakes you up. It's a really good one to put in your hands and smell and breathe in very slowly. It really opens your sinuses up. Promotes healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. Soothes the occasional upset stomach and promotes digestive health. Yes. And the use is you massage it on the back of your neck and shoulders to relieve feelings of tension. Add to cold water compress or foot bath to cool off when overheated. Diffuse 5 drops of peppermint oil when feeling fatigued or low in energy. Take 2 drops internally to soothe occasional upset stomach and promote digestive health. Place peppermint in a spray bottle and spritz around windows and doors to repel bugs naturally. Peppermint has the supplement facts. If you want to know if you can ingest a oil, look in the bottle, and if it has these supplement facts on it, that means you can take it internally. So peppermint is one of the oils that you can take internally. And and it's used in lots of ways. Another good way to do it is if you have it in a spray bottle, spray it on the back of your neck. And in the heat of the summer, the air hits it and it's very cooling. It really helps cool you off. And in Arizona, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot, very hot. So those are the uses for peppermint. Our fourth product, and I don't have a bottle of it, but I do have this, is the Digestive Blend. You get a free bottle of Digestive Blend right here. The blue bottle, there you go. All right, let me describe that. It promotes digestive health and soothes the occasional internal distress using proprietary essential oil blends. Each product in the Digestive product line is designated or designed to help with a different area of gastrointestinal discomfort and can provide the body with other benefits as well. So that is, you get a bottle of this Digestive Blend soft gels. You get a 15 ml bottle of peppermint. And you get these two roller bottles, Calmer, Tamer. So that's what you get this month for our free, completely free, if you enroll with $200 PV. I hope you are having a great day. I hope you have a great rest of the week. I just wanted to pop on here quickly. I don't want to take too much of your time. I want to share with you these oils. And if you have any questions or you would like to find out more about it, feel free to comment more info or message me or message my page and I will be happy to get with you or get with the person that invited you or shared doTERRA with you. So I hope that you have a great week and stay safe and stay healthy. Talk to you guys later. Bye.